Hi everyone, here goes a tip for Altium Designer. Let's say that you have a board with many components and you want to change their designator size. You don't have to click one by one and change its property. You can do it a better way. Let's do it. Click PCB, then PCB filter. Here you can type many filters, but in our case we only need designators to be selected. This designator, then in matching components or matching the thing you are typing, do select. Unmark the select, then apply to all. All designators now are selected. We just now need to change their properties. Click PCB, open PCB list, and here we have all the selected objects. Then click edit, then OK. Now you can change the property needed. Then we can just Control C, Control V, and everything is set. Let's check. That's it.